2014 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist. Inside you'll find keyless entry, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.